Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I have another topic on simple cells. Now, a cell is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Now we have two types of cells basically. We have primary cells and secondary cell. A primary cell is a type of cell that when it converts electrical energy to chemical energy, it can only be used once. So those type of cells cannot be recharged. They can only be used once. An example of a primary cell is a Leclanché cell. A Leclanché cell is a special type of primary cell, and a secondary cell, also called accumulators. A secondary cell is a type of cell that can be recharged. So those type of cells are recharged by passing currents through the opposite direction. They can be used for a long time because of their ability to be recharged. So these are the two types of cells we have: the primary cells and the secondary cells. So an example of the secondary cell is the lead acid accumulator cell. The lead acid accumulator cells is used by adding lead and acid in its own shape, in the shape that contains the lead acid and the cells, to simply act or to function as a secondary cell. So this is an example of a secondary cell. Thank you. See you in the next video.